Hey guys, Run with Craft Scissors here with a haul video from Plannerlovesp. I'm such a bad friend. So, she sent this one and then she's already sent me another one before I got a chance to film. I think this just got stuck behind some other stuff and I just didn't get to it. She also sent me this cute washi from Target with little kitty cats on it. So thank you, Sarah. And this is from her shop. So I'm going to open both in the same video. So it says, thank you, hope you like them, hope you have a great Mother's Day. So cute. Okay, so I have these Happy Meals, which you guys have seen me use. So these are the foiled Happy Meals. That's where I get them from. And then these little foiled Todays. And then she has a bunch of these different colored paintbrush boxes. And then it's like some stickers and build you kind of things and computer. And then this one's kind of glittery, like a little glitter across there and some little functionals. And then you have here some more quarter boxes and some functionals. And then some half boxes and quarter boxes. And I'm still messing with my lighting, sorry. And then there's some dinner time. Yeah, I was trying to get the right color to show up. So these are the paintbrush boxes and the quarter boxes that are in yellow. And then here's some quarter boxes. And then these are on glossy, so she has some on glossy, some on matte. These are the beauty stickers. So I thought these were really cute because the salon ones I could honestly use for like my son's haircut as well. And then there's like makeup, like whether you're gonna buy some or clean your makeup brushes. That's kind of cool. And then I like this one. So it says redo, not today, or switch. So if your plans change up, that's kind of a cool way to show that. And then she sent me another sheet of the beauty ones. And then I thought this one was really cute. It says Instagram post. So you can like write what you posted. And then there's like a little chat bubble. So maybe add like a DM. And then there's some little phones and arrows. There's spread pic, Instagram post, check Instagram, post it. There's all sorts of things, little cameras. So cute. Okay, so let's open this one. Because I'm not sure how I missed it when I was like filming. This one. This one I just got today. So actually on top of it there. So this one has oh, it's so cute, a little bow outline. And then it says need to order pens, arrange clips, set up my planner, need more stickers, buy planners, order more clips, organize stickers, buy planners, arrange pens. So it's kind of cute, like organizing washi, order your washi. That's so cute. And then this one is like a desk, almost like you're taking pics or planning or something. That's kind of cool. And then these are little bow, like little strips if you want to divide your boxes with those. And then nail polish because she knows I get my nails done. And then little reminder sticker, remember, with the little floral on it. And then some more today stickers, but these ones are just black. They're not the foiled ones. And then reminder, birthdays. That's so cute. And then this one is before the pen, spread pic, midweek, and today's post. That's so cute. And then there's like planners, pens, camera, pen cup. That's adorable. And then this one is a new kit, I believe, that she is coming out with. I think part of it. So it's like a floral bloom kit. Those are half boxes and quarter boxes. And then here's the date covers, and a whole bunch of functionals. That's cool. And then here's the full boxes. It says love the life you live and live the life you love. The paper is really soft. And then here's the headers and washi. And then this one is a different kit, I think. So these are some quotes, some like floral quotes. That's adorable. And then she knows I love this one. This is the cat stickers. The feed me, litter box, clean me. And then here is, I think this goes with the floral. This one goes with this one. These go together, I think, in my opinion. Yeah, I think so. And then there's the full boxes. Oh, maybe that's different. Maybe those don't go together. Maybe there's those go together. Yeah, that's just an extra sheet of quotes, I think. So there's another kit right here of the Monday through Sunday stickers and some functionals, the full boxes, and then half boxes and littles, the headers and washi tape. So cute. That's awesome. She's designing way more. Man. So good. Love it. So thank you, Sarah. I hope you have a great Mother's Day too. And thanks for watching. Give this video a like and please subscribe. Make sure you check out Plannerlovesp and use code R30off for 30% off. So you can save some money, try out a new shop, or restock on what you need. All right, bye guys.